moving ahead with the second tab or the topic according to the book. Okay, what's in your textbook we will teach you deeply, and however we will teach you each and everything in Microsoft Excel and give you at least basic to intermediate level of skills in Microsoft Excel. Okay, uh, it is not uh, very easy task to discuss each and everything in Microsoft Excel because that is the huge topic, right? Microsoft Excel is not simple topic. Okay, so we will try to cover each and everything uh, in this class, in this session. Okay, so yesterday we have completed our first home tab. Okay, home tab has been completed, so we will look forward and move ahead with the some other topics. Okay, so today we will be discussing
Yes,
about
sir.
auto sum, auto sum,
Yes, sir.
auto sum in cells. Okay, right. So this is basically in your I mean in your book, and this is the first topic in your book. What is auto sum? Okay, so let's discuss that. We are creating a table for that. Okay, for practice table, what we call it, and we are using example given in your book. Okay, so let's move ahead. Okay, so first column is, just wait for a minute. Khushi is about to enter in the class. Okay, Khushi. So add, add admission number, right? First column is admission number. Second is name. We are designing a table for auto sum practice. Okay, right? And third column is English. Math. Computer science. Total, right? So these are the columns in table we are creating. Okay, okay, so let's design this table. First of all, we need to enter the data. Okay, so we are entering the data. This is the data we are entering to keyboard, and then we will apply some formula and other thing to automate this table and to apply auto sums on that thing in our table and find out how can we do the different things, okay, using this table. Okay, this is the example table. Okay, after completion of this class we are recording this video and we will upload, and this Excel sheet and description will be shared with all of you guys in description of the video, so you can download this Excel sheet from there and you can do further practice. Okay, so we are trying to enhance your learning capability, recording video and uploading on online channels. Okay, so you can view as whenever you need. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now we are entering the subject marks. Okay, okay, this is the basic learning and basic methodology to enter the data in Microsoft Excel. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we are just using the
Sir, we have
keyboard
did
and
this.
designing the table, all that thing, and this is very easy task. Okay, right? After entering the data, we need to analyze that data and perform some calculation. Okay, that is what the skill is. Okay, now we have completed entering data in our table, and let's design our table. Okay, so make some design here. Okay, put the all borders from here. Okay, this is the tabs we have already been discussed. Okay, font tabs. So we are drawing the borders from here, and we can uh, centralize the text. Okay, so it looks good, appearance should be good. Now our time is to put the AutoSum formula. Okay, AutoSum formula here.
Yes, sir.
So how can we put that AutoSum formula? Just click on the AutoSum. Okay, here is the option for the AutoSum, or you can write down the sum. Okay, here is the AutoSum sigma sign. You can see that here in right top corner. You can click on
Yes,
that
sir.
button. Okay, this is the command button given on the ribbon. Okay, just click on that. So basically, Excel is very smart and look for the numeric entries in the corresponding cells, and it find out the corresponding cells till English. Okay, and it is smart enough to identify what is the numeric value. Okay, and it is not move ahead. Okay, Sunil is the text value. Okay, so ignored by the formula. Okay, so it is perfect and good selection, and we are satisfied with this selection, and press the enter. Once we press the enter, it calculates all the value. Okay, total value from this cell to
Yes,
this cell,
sir.
C2 cell to
This one.
E2. E2 is our last cell, and you can also see here the reference. Okay, this is basically a range in some formula. Okay, some formula is pre-built and developed by Microsoft for us. Okay, even though we can use our custom, okay, custom formulas as well, we can define and we know how can we add the values. Okay, so and this formula is
Yes, sir.
designed by the Microsoft, and they pass out some parameters in it. Okay, let's see how formula has been designed. You can see that write sum. Okay, and you can see the arguments. Okay, number one, number two, number three, and so on. Okay, and this is basically a loop applied on this formula for some numbers iterations. Okay, iterations for as many number as user wants. Okay, so basically arguments is a kind of iterations. Iterations means looping हो रही है. ऐसा नहीं है कि fixed number है. This is not the fixed number 1 or 2 only. This is as many numbers as we want, user wants. Okay, so this
Yes,
is
sir.
what
It
the
is looping.
parameter is in this, right? So we are okay, and we applied formula here in this field. We can drag it out downside, so formula should apply all the corresponding fields. Okay, and it will take the corresponding reference to apply the formula. Okay, just drag and drop. Okay, I have dragged in, and this formula has been applied
Yes, sir.
on all the cells. Okay, we need not write it again and again to apply the formula, just drag it out. Okay, autofill is the feature for that, right? So here autosum is completed. We have completed this autosum sum. Okay, right? And even though we can use our own formulas as well. Okay, we don't want to use the formula of inbuilt via the Microsoft. So, right, we can use in our method as well. Okay, we can
Yes, sir.
we can apply the range here to here. Okay, let's see if it is working. No, it is not working. Basically we need to do the addition. Okay, from here
सर
to
हमें
here.
सम वाला
Okay, right,
फॉर्मूला
click
डालना
on the
होगा.
cell, C2 D2 plus E2. Okay, right. So now
Yes, sir.
our objective has been achieved. Okay, now we can drag and drop it from here to here, and this is automatically applied in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, this is the feature with,
Yes, sir.
right? So we have applied it out. Okay, let's do some other thing. Okay, I'm telling you
Yes,
one
sir.
thing that is very important. Okay, let's type total here as well in this field, and we want total subject wise. Okay, English subject mark, math, computer science, all that. Okay, let's put the AutoSum formula. Apply the range. Just wait for a minute. Okay, and hit the enter, right? And we can drag it.
हेलो
Yes
एक्सक्यूज मी
ma'am.
सर
Yes ma'am.
सर वो स्क्रीनशॉट लेनी थी बच्चों की वीडियो थोड़ा सेट कर दीजिए आप
Okay,
पढ़ा
okay,
रहे हैं कर रहे तो
okay,
दिख नहीं रहा
okay, just wait
है
for a
ओके
minute.
सर
I'm doing stop share. Okay, just wait for a minute. Let the ma'am take a screenshot. Okay, ma'am, take a
ओके
screenshot.
सर थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सर
Welcome, ma'am. Now carry
और
on.
सर इस मीटिंग के बाद जूम आईडी भेज दीजिएगा प्लीज
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है
Okay,
ओके सर
students, carry on. Okay, so now, so this formula here is applied vertically. Okay, and it is giving the total of each and every subject. So you can see the range from here to here. Okay, and it is doing the sum of each subject. Okay, for every student, and giving displaying the value in corresponding field where we applied the formula. Okay, so I'm telling you
Yes,
one
sir.
interesting topic about it. Okay, let's apply the filter. Okay, I have applied the filter. Okay, and I selected the two names. Okay, Mona and Aarti, and it is still showing same total. Okay, same total. That means here our display result is wrong. Okay, if somebody see it and see it out, 77 plus 81 is not equal to 483. Okay, so this is the drawback, means some formula is not working on filter. Okay, so it is not working on filter. So here, how can we overcome this situation? Okay, this is the main question. Okay, we are not able to displaying the correct figure. Okay, so we have the options for that, and we can use subtotal. Let's apply it out. Okay, subtotal. Wait for a minute. And for it, parameter is 9, right? And reference. Okay, now I'm dragging it to across all the fields. still it is same result without filter didn't apply it. Okay, now let's check it out. Now it is dynamic. Okay, I have selected Mona and Aarti for displaying the result. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, now it is showing the correct output. Okay, 77 and 81 total gives 158. Okay, this is how can we achieve this result. Okay, so this
Yes,
is a
sir.
very
Sir,
interesting topic.
excuse
Any question?
यस सर सर एक चीज पूछनी थी सर जब आप ऑटोफिल लगा रहे थे इससे पहले वाले स्टेप में सर तो उसमें कौन कौन से सेल का नाम लिखा था जिसका चाहिए
ओके, जो ऑटोफिल ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप,
यस सर उसमें किस किस सेल का नाम देना पड़ेगा
autofill is nothing, just we are copying the formula in other fields. Okay, let's see it. Okay, main formula applied in this field and we dragged and drop. Okay, dragged this formula in across all fields. Okay, so just put the cursor in corner. Okay, bottom corner of right, bottom right corner. Okay, and it convert into the plus sign and then press the keyboard, I mean mouse button, and drag it out across. So it will automatically fill. So this is how we can fill for the formulas or copy
और
formula from across all the fields. Okay, or
यस सर
right. So this is the filling. Even though
यस सर
we can achieve it horizontally as well. Just put the cursor on bottom right corner and press the keyboard button, sorry, mouse button, and drag it across. Okay, so this is how
यस
we
सर
can achieve this formula. Okay, now if you want to select three name only, and now you can see it. Okay, now this formula becomes dynamic. Okay, using some subtotal we can dynamically apply the formula. Okay, we have dynamically applied. This is how we can achieve the
यस सर
our objective. Any question in subtotal? Any query? We will upload this video online. Go
नो सर
into the go to channel and watch it as much as you can.
सर
And
चैनल का नाम क्या है सर चैनल का नाम क्या है
we will share that channel to you. Okay, and all the information,
यस
go to the link and click that. Okay, so
यस
you can watch all the videos. Okay, whatever the videos your respective class, suppose that all classes videos are there, so you can watch your own class video. Okay, and we uh, practice as much as you can. Okay, once you watch all the videos you memorize all the things. Okay, 2 3 4 times you watch it and become perfect. Okay, using these formula how I used in this field. Okay, again I can use. Okay, subtotal dynamically. Okay, you can write it out. Let's discuss this formula. Okay, subtotal. Okay, subtotal is a function. Okay, function pre-built by Microsoft actually uh, built it automatically, and it is in the class library available in Microsoft Excel, and it is the feature of Microsoft Excel subtotal. Okay, so so first parameter. Okay, whatever the inside parenthesis is called parameter. Okay, parameter or argument. Okay, this value called argument. Function number and subtotal is a function that works upon some functions. Okay, let's see it out. Okay, first one is average.
यस सर
Okay, if I use 1 in this field, it will calculate average. Okay, if I use 2, it will count value. Okay, let's apply count. Okay,
यस
and reference. Okay, count. I have applied the count. Now you can see that. Just wait for a minute. Okay, subtotal count. Count is the second function. We have write some other function, so that was wrong result. Okay, count. Count gives the numeric field numbers. Okay, how many fields are there? Okay, so 6 cell count. You can count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It will give you the value 6. Let's change the criteria. Okay, basically it gives us the numeric value count. Okay, in each and every field I have selected from C1 to C7. Total column number, by the way, is total column number is 7, and it is still giving the same value. So it is still giving the same value. I can show you. Okay, just wait for a minute. Some network interruptions are there. Okay, we were disconnected for that. Okay, now you can see that subtotal count and range is given from C1 to C7. So total number is basically column number, field number are 7, and it is still giving the 6. Why it is giving the 6? The count function counts the numeric field value only. Okay, numeric only. Okay, numeric value only it counts.
सर आप
Okay, just I'm sharing my
का
screen.
नेटवर्क
It was
दिक्कत कर रहा है
off due to some technical reason, I believe so. Okay, now are you able
सर
to
नहीं
see
आ
it?
रही आपकी आवाज।
Are you able to see it? Is it visible? Okay, are you able to see it, students?
यस सर।
Okay, so now you can see that. Okay, again, if I want to count all the cells, including text, numeric, uh, okay, right? So it is disconnecting again and again. I don't know what is the problem. Just wait for a minute. It is starting up again. Okay, so there is some technical problem in network. right? And it is
सर
yes,
अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
okay. It is some technical problem and it is disconnecting again. So let me share
Yes, sir.
my screen one more time. Let's see it out.
Yes, sir.
Right? Are you able to see it? Okay, again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, again put the subtotal formula somewhere else. Okay. So instead of using auto sum or some other function, sum function, we can use the subtotal function for appropriate count, appropriate result. Okay, someone put the filter on the table, then some formula, auto sum formula will not work. Okay, so now this time I'm using count a function. Okay, count a function gives the numeric and non-numeric both. Okay, now it will give the 7 result. Yes, now 7 is displaying. Count means it gives the count of cells. Okay, number of cells. Okay, it gives the count of number of cells, right? So it is now 7 visible. Okay, let's make the changes. Okay, in filter. So you can see this. Okay, in this field it is showing 2 and in this field it is showing 3 because it is counting the non-numeric field and numeric field both and returning the result. And here formula counting the numeric field only. Okay, that's why result is 2. Okay, so now I believe you are familiar with subtotal, and once video upload and we will share this sheet and video with all of you guys, so you can download that and practice at home or watch the video as much as you
Yes,
can, so
sir.
you can become the familiar about subtotal. Okay, so every day
Yes,
we
sir.
will discuss at least 2 or 3 formula, and these formulas will enhance your learning ability. Okay, and increase your analytical ability. So here these formula very important in MIS field, and if you learn each and every formula and learn Excel in a proper and good manner, you can get a job anywhere in the company. Okay, and
Yes.
that's a
Yes, sir.
decent job. Okay, if you learn the Excel. Excel is basically a
Yes, sir.
data analysis tool, and it uses each and every company in every field, including IT,
Yes, sir.
industry, engineering, manufacturing, all the fields it uses for generating reports, analyzing values, analyzing sales, analyzing each and everything. It gives the dynamic picture of the performance of a company, so manager can analyze the performance and take the decision on basis of the performance. Okay, so this is very helpful and very important topic to learn, and you can become a master if you do practice every day in Excel. Okay, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
so today we have discussed auto sum formula and subtotal formula. Okay, like auto sum
Yes,
and
sir.
subtotal, some other formulas are there. Okay, you can find out for more, and in next class we will discuss uh, some other formula and very